The world of manufacturing is constantly evolving, and at its core lies a realm of technological advancements that continue to shape the industry's landscape. From automation and robotics to additive manufacturing and artificial intelligence, manufacturing technology has revolutionized the way products are designed, produced, and delivered. These innovative tools and techniques have ushered in a new era of efficiency, precision, and sustainability, enabling manufacturers to stay competitive in an increasingly fast-paced and interconnected global market. In this era of rapid technological transformation, understanding and embracing these advancements is crucial for manufacturers seeking to unlock new opportunities for growth, innovation, and operational excellence. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. 1. Automation. Automation involves the use of machines, robots, and computer systems to perform tasks traditionally carried out by humans. It streamlines manufacturing processes by reducing human intervention and increasing productivity. Automated systems can handle repetitive and labor-intensive tasks, leading to improved efficiency and reduced errors. They also enable continuous operation, minimizing downtime and maximizing output. Automation improves worker safety by eliminating hazardous or physically demanding tasks, creating a safer working environment. 2. Robotics. Industrial robots are programmable machines designed to perform specific tasks in manufacturing. They can carry out functions such as assembly, welding, material handling, and inspection with precision and speed. Robots enhance productivity by consistently executing tasks without fatigue or loss of focus. They ensure high-quality outputs by eliminating human errors and maintaining precise control over movements and measurements. Robots can operate in hazardous environments, reducing the risk of accidents and protecting human workers. 3. Additive manufacturing, 3D printing. Additive manufacturing, or 3D printing, builds three-dimensional objects by adding material layer by layer. It enables the production of complex geometries and customized designs that may be challenging or impossible with traditional manufacturing methods. 3D printing offers versatility and rapid prototyping, allowing manufacturers to create intricate parts with reduced material waste. It facilitates on-demand manufacturing, minimizing inventory costs. 3D printing fosters design innovation by enabling the production of lightweight structures, internal channels, and assemblies with integrated components. 4. Internet of Things, IoT. The Internet of Things, IoT, connects physical devices and systems to the Internet, enabling them to collect and exchange data. In manufacturing, IoT enables real-time monitoring and control of equipment, predictive maintenance, and optimization of production processes. IoT technology allows manufacturers to capture data on performance, temperature, energy consumption, and other parameters, providing valuable insights for process optimization and efficiency improvements. It facilitates remote management and control of manufacturing operations, enabling flexibility and efficiency. 5. Artificial intelligence, A. Artificial intelligence, I, encompasses technologies such as machine learning and computer vision that simulate human intelligence. In manufacturing, AI systems can analyze large volumes of data, make intelligent decisions, and perform complex tasks. Machine learning algorithms can be used for quality control by identifying defects and anomalies. Computer vision systems can inspect components and assemblies for faults. AI-based predictive maintenance models analyze equipment data to identify patterns and anticipate maintenance needs, reducing downtime. AI also enables demand forecasting, optimizing production schedules, and enhancing supply chain management. 6. Big data and analytics. Big data refers to large volumes of structured and unstructured data generated during the manufacturing process. Analytics involves extracting insights from this data to inform decision-making and drive process improvements. In manufacturing, big data and analytics provide valuable information for optimization and innovation. Manufacturers can analyze production data to identify bottlenecks, inefficiencies, and quality issues, optimizing processes and improving productivity. Data analytics support predictive maintenance by detecting patterns indicating equipment failures, enabling timely interventions. Analytics enhance supply chain management by providing visibility into inventory levels, demand patterns, and supplier performance. 7. Advanced materials. Advanced materials are engineered substances with superior properties compared to traditional materials. They enable the production of more efficient and high-performance products. Lightweight materials like carbon fiber composites reduce the weight of structures, improving fuel efficiency and reducing emissions. High-strength alloys enhance structural integrity, allowing for higher load-bearing capacity and improved safety. Nanomaterials offer unique properties at the nanoscale, enabling applications such as enhanced conductivity and advanced coatings. Advanced materials also exhibit improved corrosion resistance, thermal stability, and wear resistance, increasing product lifespan and reliability. 8. Augmented reality (AR) and virtual reality (VR). Augmented reality (AR) overlays digital information onto the physical world, while virtual reality (VR) creates an immersive virtual environment. In manufacturing, AR and VR technologies are used for training purposes, allowing workers to learn complex procedures in a simulated environment. AR provides real-time instructions and guidance during assembly or repair processes, while VR enables virtual prototyping and simulations for design and maintenance scenarios. 9. Cloud computing. Cloud computing delivers computing resources over the internet, offering scalability and storage for manufacturing operations. It allows manufacturers to store and access large amounts of data from various locations, facilitating collaboration and data sharing. Cloud-based analytics and machine learning tools process manufacturing data, providing valuable insights for process optimization, quality improvement, and predictive maintenance. Cloud computing also supports remote monitoring and control of manufacturing operations, enhancing data security and enabling scalability based on demand. 10. Sustainable manufacturing. Sustainable manufacturing aims to reduce the environmental impact of manufacturing processes and products. It involves adopting technologies and practices that minimize resource consumption, waste generation, and emissions. Sustainable manufacturing includes energy-efficient processes and equipment, advanced process controls, recycling and waste management technologies, and the use of renewable energy sources. It also encompasses lifecycle assessments to evaluate environmental impact and the application of circular economy principles, designing products for reusability and recyclability. Sustainable manufacturing enables manufacturers to minimize their carbon footprint and promote environmental stewardship. As we reflect on the advancements in manufacturing technology, it becomes clear that the future holds immense promise for those who dare to embrace innovation. The convergence of automation, robotics, 3D printing, IoT, big data analytics, advanced materials, AR/VR, cloud computing, and sustainable practices has propelled the manufacturing industry into a realm of boundless possibilities. By leveraging these technologies, manufacturers can achieve higher productivity, improved product quality, reduced costs, enhanced sustainability, and increased competitiveness in the global market. It is an era where machines work in harmony with human ingenuity, where data-driven insights guide decision-making, and where sustainable practices pave the way for a greener future. The transformative power of manufacturing technology is reshaping industries and redefining what is possible. With each advancement, manufacturers find themselves on the precipice of a new era, one where innovation and technological prowess hold the key to success in an ever-evolving world. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.